If you need a long run of piping, you'll have to sew together panels of fabric. Today, we're going to show you how to do that. I've got 3 pieces of fabric here that I need to make a continual piece of fabric to sew piping. And to do so, we're going to take, in this case, I'll take the 2 shortest pieces, and we are going to put face to face, or we're going to clip them together at 90 degrees. 1 clip here should be sufficient. So 90 degrees. So there's my one. And then my second, again, face to face. And then what we're going to do is we're going to sew it at the 45-degree angle. Just so you can visualize what I'm going to do since I have matching thread, I'm going to mark where my stitch line will go. And as mentioned, it'll be on the 45-degree. So we will drop our foot and stitch it. And we'll bring our next one around and do the same thing. We'll take our scissors and cut parallel to the stitch line. And when we splay it open, and you can iron this if you want, or you can just, which I find easier, rub it along the table edge to give it a nice crease there at the seam line. And then we'll be able to put our piping in here, stitch it together, and you'll barely see it. Let's get sewing.